Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap New Smyrna Beach local and long distance movers near me. If you are relocating to a new home more than 100 miles away, you need to hire professional long distance movers to help you organize and carry out the relocation. Our movers have had extensive training. Every piece is treated with the utmost care. They meticulously stack them and load the trucks. Our moving trucks are of the best quality. They are well maintained and have spacious compartments. They are strong and secure your items. Our insurance also covers risk throughout the entire move. Our drivers are professionals. They have years of experience moving belongings over long distances. They know and follow every highway regulation. If you are moving less than 100 miles, we provide the best local moving service. A local move also requires adequate preparation. We create a moving plan that includes the entire moving process. We know all the routes in New Smyrna Beach, which is why our delivery rate is prompt. We are always available to respond to questions and inquiries. We build great relationships with our customers. Our services are budget-friendly. We charge around $30 to $40 per hour. One reason we stand out from other professional movers is that we provide exceptional service at cheap rates. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our new Smyrna Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.